In this video, I will show you how to create Gmail accounts. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to gmail.com. What that's going to do is take you to a website like this, and if you look down at the bottom, you're going to see an option to create accounts. So what you need to do is give that a click, and then choose whether the Gmail is going to be for personal use, for a child, or for your work or business. So in this example, I'm going to select for personal use. Then what you need to do is enter your first and last name. Once that's done, come down and click next at the bottom, and then what you need to do is enter your birthday and gender and then click next. After you've done that, it's going to ask you to choose your Gmail address. So you can either choose one of the ones that it's selected for you, or you can create your own Gmail address and see if it's available to use. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one here, and then what I'm going to do is come down and click next, and if this is available, what it's going to do is carry on to the next step. So now what we need to do is create a password, and then what you can do is add a recovery email. So this is completely optional, but this is an address where Google can contact you if there's been unusual activity in your account, or if you're locked out, so you've forgotten your password and you can't get back into your account. You can add a recovery email address which are going to contact you to help you recover your Gmail account. For now, I'm just going to go and skip this, but of course you can add that if you want to. And then all you need to do is review your account info, and if you're happy, come down and click next at the bottom. What you can then do is choose your settings. So you can choose a one step, which means that you can make a single choice that applies to all settings, or alternatively you can make step-by-step choices for each setting. But for speed, I'm just going to choose in one step and then click next at the bottom, and then it's going to go through a bit of information which you need to read through. So you can do that if you want, and then come down and click to accept all once you've read and agreed to these terms and things like that. Again, it's going to give you some information about cookies and similar technologies and the privacy reminder, so come down and click confirm, and then what you need to do is scroll down on the next screen and agree to the Google Terms of Service and YouTube Terms of Service, as well as the privacy policy and things like that. So just come down and click I agree. After doing that, as you can see, your Gmail is now set up and good to go. So you can see in the top right hand corner, you can view your email address by clicking up here. And when you first set up your Gmail, you're going to get an email from Google to finish setting up your new account. It's basically like an intro email telling you some things you can do. But that is a quick overview on how to create Gmail account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.